Welcome, engineers! This air density interactive calculator solves a fundamental problem in fluid dynamics, HVAC design, and aerodynamics, quickly determining air density under various conditions without manual calculations using the ideal gas law. Let's explore the interface. At the top, you'll find the Select Calculation Mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate air density, calculate temperature, calculate pressure, calculate altitude from density, calculate density with humidity, and calculate density correction factor. Each mode reveals different input fields. For today's demonstration, I'll select Calculate Air Density. This mode shows 2 input fields, temperature in degrees Celsius and pressure in kilopascals. The calculator then outputs the air density in kilograms per cubic meter. Let me walk through a practical example. Suppose you're designing a ventilation system for a facility at 1,500 meters elevation. I'll enter temperature as 20 degrees Celsius, typical indoor conditions. For pressure, at this elevation we'd have approximately 85 kilopascals instead of sea level's 101.325. After entering these values, the calculator instantly returns the density as 1.006 kilograms per cubic meter. This output tells you the actual mass of air per unit volume at your specific conditions. This is critical for calculating mass flow rates, fan sizing, and heat transfer calculations. Notice how this density is about 17% lower than standard sea level conditions of 1.225 kilograms per cubic meter. Here's a key insight. Many engineers forget to adjust for altitude when sizing equipment, leading to undersized systems that can't deliver required airflow rates. Find the link in the description below.